Genetic psychology. Genetic psychology sits at the intersection of psychology, neuroscience, and genetics, and it is the study of how the genes influence our personality traits, intelligence, mental health conditions, and behavioral tendencies and emotional regulations. Is it a new age career? Yes, because it is connected to modern science, DNA research, neuroscience, and mental health. It is growing because of genetic testing and brain research. It's still developing, so it feels new compared to the traditional psychology. What are the career opportunities? Mostly in research and high-skilled domains, academic and research careers, mental health research, neuroscience and behavioral science, health and precision medicine. The education roadmap. You can do an undergraduation in psychology, biology, or neuroscience. Later on, you can go for PG or Masters in psychology with research focus, neuroscience or behavioral science, and then PhD in behavioral genetics, neuropsychology, or genetic psychology. Who should choose genetic psychology? Choose genetic psychology only if you like biology, life science, or research. You enjoy studying deeply, you're patient and okay with long education, and you want to work in labs and universities. A piece of advice: genetic psychology is a promising but a niche new age career. It is best as a research career, not a job-oriented course. And students should always have a backup plan in psychology or neuroscience. Thank you for watching this video.